the way that you can create video is super, super simple. You don't need to rent out a big fancy studio like what we've got right here. You don't have to rent any of this stuff out. This is complete overkill, and you don't need it. And in fact, I recommend against it. What you need is you need an iPhone. That's all you need, or an Android. If you use Android, I recommend iPhone, but that's all you need, right? So what you want to do is you want to sit down with your topics, right? You want to think, okay, what are all of those questions that you know people are going to come in your office? What are the questions that you're sick and tired of answering over and over and over again? What are all the objections that people have? What are all the reasons that people don't hire you? What are the false beliefs that they have? All those types of things, right? And you want to write them all down, and you want to record videos. Now, there's a very, very simple format that I use called hook, story, offer. Right? It's a very, very simple format. It's hook, story, offer, just 3 parts, right? The first thing you do is you say the hook. Now, the hook is the first part of the video, and it should not be, hello, my name is Andy Stickle, and I'm a personal injury attorney, and I'm a super lawyer, and I'm Martindale Hubbell AV rated, even though you have no idea what that means. And I've been trying cases for 74 years, and we had $7 billion in verdicts and settlements. They changed the video like 26 seconds ago, right? The hook needs to be something that captures their attention right away. So in the video, it should start off, did you know that there are 3 things that car insurance companies will use, 3 tricks car insurance companies will use to get out of paying you $1 after your car accident, right? So that's what it's got to be. It's got to be a very compelling hook. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that motorcycle riders are more likely to be killed on their motorcycle than any other place on the road, right? If you're a motorcycle rider, you're probably going to be like, oh, okay, I'm interested. And then you do a very quick intro with credibility. My name is Andy Stickle, and I've been helping motorcycle riders who have been in accidents since 1993. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about, now did you see it was a very, very short intro with credibility, just enough to show them why they should listen to you, right? Now, the next part is you're going to tell a story. Stories are the most important part because people remember stories. They don't remember statistics. So you're going to tell a story. You're going to say, in this video, we're going to talk about the most common way motorcycle riders get killed and how you can avoid it. My name is Andy Stickle, and I've been a personal injury attorney representing injured motorcycle riders for the last 20 years. Now, we had a client come in our office about 6 weeks ago, and they got into an accident. I started thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? We have clients that come in over and over and over and over again from this same accident, right? So what happened was the motorcycle rider was coming up to make a left-hand turn on Main Street, and they pulled up. And the problem is that there's a blind spot. So they went to make a left-hand turn, and they got clipped in the tail because they couldn't see the car coming around the corner. I'm just literally making a story up right now, right? But what I'm doing is I'm explaining that making a left-hand turn is the most dangerous thing that a motorcycle rider can do. So then you go in and you don't just tell them that. You actually tell the story. You say, so he was making a left-hand turn. A Ford Bronco came around, clipped the back wheel. He went flying over the handlebars, and he landed on the ground. And he broke his arm, and he got a concussion. And he was just laying there in the hospital. And and that's when he called me. So I came and I visited him in the hospital, and I was like, man, when you get off your motorcycle, here's the 3 things that you need to do next time you're making a left-hand turn so you don't end up in this situation again. First thing you need to do is blah. Second thing you need to do is blah. Third thing you need to do is blah, right? And basically, that's basically the format for the story. You just tell a story about whatever the point is that you're trying to make. Whether it's how much does a DUI lawyer cost, whether it's are you going to go to jail for a DUI, are you going to, are there fines? Tell stories about different times that people have gotten arrested and what the different outcomes have been and why they've been that way and what the different possibilities are. You got the hook. You got the intro with credibility, you got the story, and then the last thing is going to be the offer. Now, we don't necessarily want to hard sell them in the video, but what you do is you do like a soft sell. And I always say that the offer should be something that you would offer a friend or a family member. You should feel like you're talking to a friend or a family member. So don't say, if you've been in a motorcycle accident, call me today for a free consultation. Instead, say, listen, if you have any questions about a motorcycle accident, about a car accident, about anything like that, then feel free to give me a call at the office, shoot me a text, and we'll sit down, we'll talk about it. I'll look at your medical report, I'll take a look at your insurance with you want, and we'll figure out how we can help you. And if I can't help you, then I'll point you in the direction of somebody that can, right? And that's your entire video, right? So you have that video, and what you do is just take a bunch of those videos, answer every single question that is on your list, and the questions that you know people are asking you over and over and over again. Just do it in hook, story, offer format. Do it on your phone. It does not have to be perfect. Watch my videos. My videos are the most imperfect things you have ever seen. Even up here, I've been stumbling up my words this entire time, but I just get up here and I talk, and somehow people get information out of it, right? As long as the value is there, it's good, right? So don't worry about perfection.